Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Citi credit card documents in Citi detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Citi credit card documents, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Citi website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Accounts tab to view your credit card details. Select the credit card for which you wish to back up documents. Scroll down to find the Documents section associated with your account. Click on the Documents section to view available options. Here, you will see digital copies of your statements and other relevant documents. To download a specific statement, click on the desired month. The document will open as a PDF file, which you can then save. Look for the download icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the PDF viewer. Click the download icon to save the document to your computer. Select a folder on your device where you want to store the document. Confirm the download by clicking Save. Repeat this process for each document you wish to back up. After downloading, ensure the files are organized in a manner that makes them easy to retrieve later. For added security, consider backing up these documents to a cloud storage service. Once you have uploaded your files to the cloud, verify that they are accessible. If needed, create a backup on an external hard drive for additional protection. Review your backup files periodically to ensure everything is up to date. Following these steps will help you securely back up your Citi credit card documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.